Moment of truth. Ooh. Cuz, you crying? Cuz, don't be crying, cuz. What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be starting a new series here on this channel called Cutting My Subscribers' Hair. Now, how this came about is I posted something on Instagram basically saying I need new models for more tutorials here on this channel. So I need more content, I need to cut more people's hair, I need to film it, I need to just put more videos out there for you guys. So I posted something on Instagram saying if you let me cut your hair, I will give you a free cut. Now, of course, I got a lot of DMs, but what surprised me is a lot of you guys, my subscribers, live here in Vegas and hit me up. And I didn't know that many of you guys lived in the same city as me, or else I would have been cutting your hair all along. But they hit me up, and I thought to myself, like, it would be a dope thing to start a new series called Cutting My Subscribers' Hair, where I have you come to my house, I cut your hair, I film it. And the series can take off in a number of different ways. Like, for one, it's a haircut tutorial. I'm doing a full haircut tutorial. It can turn into a vlog series. And number three, which I thought it was like the dopest aspect of this whole thing, is I've never met you guys. I've never met any of these people in this series. I've never talked to them. I don't know what their hair looks like. So you guys get to see how I interact with new clients, like how their hair texture is, their lineup, all that. I'm unfamiliar with all that stuff because they're new. I've never seen their hair, let alone cut it. So, and I do think this series can take off and be something great because, like I said, I could turn it into a vlog series where I'm flying out to your guys' cities, cutting your hair, teaching you guys, meeting you guys, doing classes, doing pop-ups, like all that different type of stuff, all from just cutting my subscribers' hair. So I do think it could be a dope series. I just need your feedback. So if you like the video, you think this series has a lot of potential, and you want to see it progress, just hit the like button, drop a comment. Let me know that I'm doing something right so you guys can get more episodes out of me with this series. But other than that, let's get into it. What up, dog? How are you? Alright, I gotta verify some things. What up? I'm EJ. Nice to meet you. Alright, hold on. Because I'm starting a new series called Cutting My Subscribers' Hair. Yeah. I've never cut your hair before, right?
No.
I've never met you.
No.
You are a subscriber?
Yeah.
How long you been a subscriber? Don't lie either.
Like 2 years.
Okay, 2 years. He's been a subscriber. I'm cutting his hair. I'm starting a new series called Cutting My Subscribers' Hair.
Yeah.
So I just want to verify it's a subscriber. He looks shy as fuck, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get right. What cut are you getting?
I was going to put the...
No, take your hat off, bro. Goddamn.
I'm fucking...
You want like a high taper, low fade type of look? Got you. What up, dog?
Good.
You had to bring somebody? You thought I was gonna rob you or something?
Nah, bro, you're my cousin.
Alright, good. Alright, y'all, we just gonna jump right into it. As you guys can see, my client's hair, my subscriber's hair is super crazy, super long. But after you put it up in a bun and actually see what you're working with, it's nothing crazy at all. We're just gonna end up doing like a fade, line up on top. But shout out to my guy Victor, that's the subscriber in this video right here. I will put his ad up in the video. And right here, I was gonna do like a low fade and keep the hooks on the side, but then I had to stop and ask him like, yo, do you want to keep the hooks? And he was like, nah, just go ahead and shave it off. So we ended up doing like a low to mid fade and a line up on the front line, and that was really it. So it's crazy to sit here and think like I've never met this dude, I've never seen him before he came in. Like I didn't know what his hair was like, his texture, his lineup, none of that. So it's crazy to think like I was actually trying to show you guys, try to record this as a tutorial, and I've never even cut his hair myself. So it's kind of cool to see how I'm taking my approach with someone's hair that I've never met before and trying to teach you and film it at the same time. So it's kind of crazy to sit here and think about that, but his hair was mad easy, bro. So I made my first guideline with All-Star Fast Feed Lever Closed, and then went to lever open, blended out those 2 layers, and then this is a long number 1 on my fast feed, and we're going to take this all the way up to his man bun, his long hair on top. And then in between that and no guard open, all you have to do is slap it on 1/16 guard, open and close, and the fade is done. So I kind of lucked out with his hair being super smooth. Like the texture is super light. So I only needed 3 steps to finish this fade, and it came out looking flawless. All right, y'all, moving on to the lineup portion. As you guys can see, my subscriber, I keep wanting to say client, my subscriber's hairline is already kind of prepped, but I just want to make sure that they're even all the way. So I'm gonna take my 1/16 guard with the lever halfway closed with the grain, and what you want to do is even these hairs out and lay them down over his hairline. So when you do hit him with the liners, you are left with a crispier effect. So I'm gonna lay these hairs down with the grain, spray some hairspray, hit it with my liners, and you're good. And as you guys can see, his hairline is looking stupid crispy without even touching it with a straight razor. That's just because his hair itself is super soft, so it takes little to no effort to make his hairline pop like this. And the Slimline Pros, I don't know what I did, but I got them hitting super crazy. But speaking of straight razors, this is shaving gel from ezbladshavingproducts.com. I have a 10% off promo code EJonesTv. It will give you 10% off your whole purchase at checkout. And if you guys start sending me your screenshots, if you order something from EZBlade and use my promo code, send me a screenshot of your order, and I will shout you guys out on my Instagram, give you a follow, all that good stuff. So ezbladshavingproducts.com, use my promo code EJonesTv, and you receive 10% off your whole purchase. But yeah, man, that's basically gonna do for this haircut. Once again, thank you to Victor for coming through. He's a real good, genuine dude. I enjoyed our conversations. Thank you for being a subscriber. And he's actually a barber. I will post some of his work at the end of the video, so if you guys want to check that out. He has very clean work. He has a lot of potential to be great. So Victor, if you're listening, which I think you are, don't give up. You got a lot of potential to be something in the barber world. Thank you for coming through. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Here you go, my guy. Moment of truth. Ooh. Cuz, you crying? Cuz, don't be crying, cuz. Oh, man. Nah, bro, look at it, G. Look at it. It's cool as fuck. Yeah. No clickbait, no Photoshop, none of that? EJones the truth or what? Yo. All right, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah. I'm gonna see you. All right, brother. Be safe. Make sure you drive safe. All right, for sure.